The thrill of hitting it big in the lottery and instantly getting what you wished for seems empowering, right? Although winning a jackpot may appear challenging, hundreds of people win life-changing lottery prizes every day, so why not you? You haven't won yet not because it's too difficult, but likely due to factors within yourself. While receiving millions overnight is a big deal for the recipient, the universe is impartial. Whether you desire a free parking spot or large sums, the universe responds with what you truly feel ready for. Many people don't win large prizes because of inner resistance born from past experiences, negative self-beliefs, and discomfort with the idea of good fortune. These internal blocks can impede your ability to claim a lottery prize. Stay tuned through the entire video as we will reveal methods that are proven to work for past lottery winners. Even my friend, as well as I, have one using this method. You might not believe it, but it's true. These are the methods which you too can employ to improve your odds of manifesting a major prize. More the odds, more you have high chance of winning. You are the next winner. Now let's look at the methods. The key to successful manifestation is having a strong belief. Without a firm foundation, your dreams are at risk of falling apart. Therefore, focus first on building your belief when starting any manifestation work. The first step to manifesting a lottery win is assessing your current money beliefs. How do you feel about money? Are you usually optimistic or pessimistic? Do you feel worthy of receiving money? Do you believe you can manifest large sums? Journal about these prompts without overthinking to uncover your money beliefs. Once you've done so, reflect on what you wrote. If you have positive money beliefs, you're in a good position to manifest a lottery win. But if your beliefs are negative, you need to build them up gradually. Start small by manifesting a $100 bill, then $1,000 and so on. Increase the amounts you manifest bit by bit. This brick-by-brick approach is a secret used by successful money manifestors. You can develop that skill as well. Focus first on strengthening your belief. That is the foundation for successful manifestation. Build your money beliefs up slowly over time through practicing manifestation in smaller increments. This will pave the way for larger manifestations like winning the lottery. It might sound stupid, but trust me, it has worked for me and will work for you. Now, it's natural to feel some eagerness about manifesting a big lottery win. However, desperation can undermine your efforts. Desperation does not serve you when manifesting. Manifestation follows the laws of energy and vibration. The energy you emit is what you'll attract. If you feel desperate for a lottery win, you'll just attract more desperation. Though being desperate may have helped our ancestors survive, it's counterproductive today. We live in an abundance of resources, yet still struggle with this conditioning. To overcome desperation, get into a good feeling state around your goal. Meditation can be helpful here. Shift your energy from desperation to excitement, gratitude, and confidence. These higher frequencies will allow you to manifest a lottery win if it's meant to be. Focus on feeling good rather than desperately needing or wanting the prize money. This change in perspective and energy will pave the way for your manifestation to occur at the right time in the right way. Instead of focusing on how you'll win the lottery, focus on attracting the money itself. Let go of wanting to win it via lottery specifically and simply focus your intention on receiving a large sum. The universe has infinite ways of bringing you what you need. By focusing only on winning the lottery, you're limiting the universe's options. Instead, focus on attracting the money and let the universe decide the best means of delivery. There are two benefits to this. First is, surrendering your desire and letting the universe take the lead is a powerful way to manifest quickly. When you surrender the how, you speed up the manifestation process. Secondly, releasing your attachment to the how, winning the lottery, also releases your desperate and controlling energy. This opens you up to receive the positive energy needed to make your desire a reality. Whether that's winning lottery money or receiving wealth through some other means. Have strong faith that the universe will move heaven and earth to bring you the money however it needs to. Whether that's moving mountains, using 10 people, or some other means, have faith the money will find its way to you. So instead of obsessing over winning the lottery, shift your focus to simply attracting a large sum of money. Surrender to the universe and have faith it will deliver the money to you in the perfect way at the perfect time. Remember this going forward. You are a child of an abundant universe. Whatever wealth you desire rightfully belongs to you. All it takes is shifting your mindset to one of abundance. An abundance mindset sees the world as overflowing with opportunities and resources for all. People with a scarcity mentality, on the other hand, see the world as having limited resources. They believe there is only so much to go around and that if one person has more, others must have less. This flawed view limits their potential. In contrast, an abundance mindset understands that resources and wealth are infinite, and everyone can prosper without taking from others. Each person can claim their rightful share of abundance. So claim your birthright now. You are a child of an abundant universe, and all wealth rightfully belongs to you. Shift your mindset to see unlimited opportunities and resources for all, including yourself. Before trying to manifest a lottery win or large sum of money, reflect on whether you have an abundance or scarcity mindset. How do you feel seeing others with wealth? Do you tend to worry about money or trust that things will work out? Does the idea of winning the lottery make you feel anxious or at ease? Write your answers in a journal, then review them to gauge your mindset. If you have an abundance mindset, congratulations. That powerful outlook ensures you'll attract the money and richness you desire. But if you have a scarcity mindset, we need to shift your perspective. An abundance mentality is key to manifesting wealth. Those who see unlimited opportunities and resources for all tend to manifest more abundantly, while those who view wealth as finite and limited tend to achieve less. So before trying to manifest a lottery win, take stock of your money mindset. If one at scarcity, we'll need to cultivate an abundance mentality to set the stage for your manifestation work. I recommend to shift your scarcity mindset. Start with positive money affirmations daily. Repeat these or similar statements twice a day for 21 days. I live in an abundant universe. Prosperity is my birthright. Whatever I desire comes effortlessly to me. The universe provides for me abundantly. I easily attract success and fulfill all my material desires in magical ways. Just make a habit of repeating the affirmations consistently in the morning and evening for 3 weeks. For now, don't worry about feeling the affirmations deeply. Simply say the words each day. Over time, they'll rewire your mindset from one of scarcity to abundance. Once you shift your mentality, you'll be able to manifest any amount of wealth. An abundant mindset is all you need to achieve financial freedom. Your past conditioning limited you, but with a new outlook, desires will manifest effortlessly. If you take the time to transform your mindset through daily affirmations, you won't need luck or other techniques to win the lottery or achieve your financial goals. An abundant mentality will naturally draw wealth and prosperity into your life. So start with positive money affirmations. Repeat them consistently for 3 weeks. This simple practice can undo a scarcity mindset and set you up for effortless manifestation of all you desire. In addition to affirmations, visualize your life after manifesting the money you seek. Imagine what material things you'll have, where you'll live, what you'll do. Create a vivid picture of life with that wealth. The universe responds to clarity, so a clear vision helps attract it. Visualize daily for 4 weeks. Here's how. Sit quietly and relax. Breathe to calm your mind. Close your eyes and imagine a day in your future life with your manifested money. Picture rich details of material items, activities, and people in your life. Construct an entire day in your mind, rehearsing this future scenario. Taking inspired action also supports manifestation. Just daydreaming about your desire won't materialize it. We live in the physical world, so physical steps matter. Action and thought work together. Action complements your vision and affirmations. When you take physical steps toward wealth, buying lottery tickets, investing, starting a business, do so with a strong belief they'll yield profit. Visualize, affirm, and take inspired action in harmony. These work together to make your vision a reality. So in addition to affirmations, visualize daily the life you seek. Imagine it in rich detail. Then take inspired physical steps, things like buying lottery tickets or investing, that align with your vision. Taken together, visualization, affirmations, and inspired action synchronize your mind, thoughts, and actions to support manifestation of your wealth goal. Each component reinforces the others. Now, it's up to you, your curiosity and passion for manifesting money and abundance in your life, and I am here for it, rooting for you. So that's it for today's video. Happy manifesting!